I wonder what's going on here. Oh, let's see what we are making today. Welcome and hello my YouTube family. Today we are making something very special again. It's called lemon chicken, but we will be making lemon chicken burgers. First of all, the ingredients and then a recipe card, and then we'll see how I made it. This recipe is basically, there are two steps to it. The first step is the marination and the second step is going to be making the sauce. So I have just poured the egg on it, and in the background what you can see is our gardening going on, so ignore that for a bit. So this is red chili flakes and the salt and the black pepper gone in. This is soy sauce, pour that over. And last but not the least is this butter. So I have taken this vegetable based butter, but any butter should be fine, with a little bit of olive oil. You can wear the gloves if you prefer, but I'm making for my family, so I haven't got the gloves on. So mix everything together, nicely marinate the chicken, and the longer you leave it to just, for the spices to get in, the better it is, but give it at least 1 to 2 hours for all the spices to go in. So we need to coat our marinated chicken fillets with this corn flour, and then we'll shallow fry it. So we've taken some butter, 2 to 3 tablespoons, with some olive oil. And marinated and coated chicken goes in. So we'll be just shallow frying it. As you may have noticed, the coating of corn flour is not very thick, but that's absolutely fine. That's how we want it. So when the oil heats up, we'll just cover it with a lid and cook it on medium flame till it gets tender. So let's put the lid on. Because we don't like the smell of ginger and garlic in the sauce, I'm adding the ginger and garlic paste here, but it's up to you. If you want, you can add it either to the chicken stock that we'll be using or to the sauce. So it's time to make the sauce now. So we have taken chicken stock in that bowl, and we have just added the lemon juice, and now goes in the salt, the red chili flakes and corn flour. So all of that goes in. Give it a good mix. This is the ginger and garlic, but as I previously said, I have added it to the marinated chicken while that was being cooked, so that I don't need to add it raw to this sauce. I've just taken some butter, adding the olive oil, warm it up a little, and to that I'm adding the mixture that I've just made in the bowl for the sauce. So all of that goes in. So basically it needs to be cooked a little bit so that it takes the form of a sauce or a gravy. Whilst it's cooking, we have got our chicken ready, and look at how it looks before we pour the sauce in. So, and you can eat it at this stage, but it tastes absolutely gorgeous once the sauce has been added, as you can see I'm doing now. My chicken is absolutely ready. You can eat it with roti or chapati or whatever way you want, or maybe with rice. But what we did was, because we have got kids, here you go. So we made them burgers using this chicken and served them with chips, and the kids absolutely loved it. Let me know how you found this recipe. Leave me a feedback, and I'll see you in my next video. And by the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe to my channel for more recipes, for more day-to-day activities, weight loss, and much more. And bye for now.